4-bedroom conventional septic system is already installed. This is a lovely unrestricted building lot just outside of Berryville and offering over 5 mostly cleared acres. The home site is up on a knoll above 340 and Summit Point Road and offers beautiful mountain vistas. There is great potential here to have a farmette or just a lovely country property once you build the home of your dreams. There is a nice buffer of trees for privacy, and they also block your view of the road and will help with traffic noise. However, much of the land is open and mostly level. The 4-bedroom septic already being in place will save you thousands and thousands. A great opportunity to build a wonderful home in Clarke County.